Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I've done like 5 intros because I was so nervous and I haven't been vlogging. So yeah, you can do it, baby. So let me start by saying thank you for those of you who have reached out on either TikTok or on Instagram. I appreciate it. If you haven't seen why I've been gone, it is actually on there. But I am physically and mentally still going through it. I am in therapy and it's not okay, but we will be okay. Um, yeah, we do still have our Christmas tree up. I haven't had the energy to take it down. We did take down actually, my husband took down our kitchen stuff. We do have to still take down all of our Christmas trees and our little stuff. Our Christmas week wasn't a real Christmas week, so we're trying here. I do really miss vlogging though, so I am hopefully back at least to vlogging 1 day a week. That is still my goal. Um, I am filming currently with my front camera of my new iPhone 16 Pro that my husband got me for Christmas. Thank you, honey. But I am vlogging just with the front camera because I haven't vlogged in so long that I was like, I'm gonna totally be out of frame the entire video if I do start using the back camera. With that being said, I have to buy a new mic because the mic that I was using was for the other iPhones, and I forgot that this iPhone charges with a different cable. So I got that. I am waiting for a couple packages in the mail right now. One is for some seasonings since I am trying to change out some unhealthier things to healthier things. Not fully 100% healthy. I'm just trying to kind of convert us into some healthier options for certain things like seasonings and stuff like that that we can control. Since the United States, everything's unhealthy here, to be honest, and processed. But I'm gonna try my best. I also did order some things from Jujube. I'm not sponsored by Jujube. I am going to continue with Petunia Pickle Bottom with their program that I am in, so I'm happy about that. I actually just signed the papers for it, and I'm so excited because you guys know I love Petunia Pickle Bottom. And then I'm like trying to update you guys on what I can update you guys. Yeah, I mean, if you guys can't tell, I've lost quite a bit of weight. Depression can do that. But I went to the doctor, and apparently I still need to lose more weight. Um, yeah, so I'm just trying to get healthier over here for my baby girl that needs her mommy, mentally and physically. So I'm trying my best over here. Um, yeah, so that's pretty much it that I have to update on you guys. Again, I have packages coming in. I might share with you guys what I make for dinner. Not really sure yet. I don't want this video to be super duper 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 long. But like I said, I really miss you guys. I have watched some of you guys' videos that also do videos. If I haven't commented, I'm sorry. Sometimes I just more in the mood to just watch and kind of isolate still myself to myself. So yeah, just know I am watching, I am liking, and if I am up to it, I do comment. I will get there and start watching all your videos and liking all your stuff again and commenting. I just wasn't in the headspace to do so. But yeah, let's go ahead and go on with today. I just got my Target order, and I got this very expensive immediate relief for severely dry lips because again my lips have been super super dry. Apparently that could be like the anesthesia or whatever, but it's just like so dry. And then I already put it away, so I'm gonna just show you guys what I got. I forgot I was vlogging for a second. I'm so out of tune. I picked up 3 of these because I actually really liked them and they were really good. Yes, I need to redo my pantry. It's actually not that bad. It's just those boxes. I just kind of threw there. From Amazon, I actually ordered this one. I actually really like this dish soap. So I'm really happy to have it. I didn't want to get the other one anymore because it's reminders because they made me really nauseous when I was pregnant. I got this I remember getting this before. It was so much cheaper. It's $5 versus $11 for their regular sponge. But I'm hoping that this, doesn't smell bad, because all the other ones do. And then I don't think I showed you guys. I did post it on Amazon on TikTok. But I got a new air fryer. My old one's actually still right there. It's already started to get rusted and gross. So my mom bought me a new one, and this is a double. I'm so excited. You have no idea. I'm so happy to have that guy. And then, we did get this. I need to find a healthier alternative. Apparently Trader Joe's has a healthier alternative for wraps. But until I actually make my way to Trader Joe's, I got these wraps, spinach. Again, they're not that great for you, but we needed something other than just bread. About my next probably nail set. Yes, I still have Grinch stuff here. I finally cleaned out my counters though. And my in-laws bought me a new Alex Shore set. So I actually need to find a place for it, and because it's in the middle of my room right now. I also have been collecting some MCO beauty products for a future video. I have a couple things here. I already had the light one, but it is definitely too light for me. And then I picked up the glow, but it's kind of open. So I sent Target a message, and I think they're just going to refund me the money, which is kind of like, I really hope no one messes with this. But I can't wait to try that out as well. But that was what I got in the mail right now. Again, I'm still waiting for 2 packages. And the seasonings one of them is the seasonings, and one is some bags that I ordered from Jujubee. I am not sponsored by Jujubee. They just had an amazing sale, and I was sad, and I bought stuff. So it is what it is. All right, I'm gonna make the cottage cheese crust, which is really easy. I just learned about it, so I'm not even gonna act like I'm a pro. But you literally just need 1 cup of cottage cheese, some Parmesan cheese, not even a lot. And then you're gonna put 2 eggs, and that's it. And then you bake it in the oven you blend it, and then you bake it in the oven for 35 minutes. Then you take it out and you put whatever you need. I use this sauce today for yesterday, so I'm gonna finish that so it doesn't go to waste. My husband might make. I'm like, what is English? Is it probably gonna bring sushi home from Pete's? He said maybe. I'm gonna check my messages right now. If not, then I'm gonna make 2 different ones. One that's like a healthier option for me and my husband, and one that is more targeted for my little human. All right, so I'm starting out with putting some spray on the parchment paper so it sticks, and then putting some on the other side. So obviously the crust does not stick to it. Here I am, moving around my AirPod, my iPad. So you're gonna go ahead and do 1 cup of cottage cheese. You can use whichever one you prefer. This is just the one I have on hand. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of Parmesan cheese. You don't have to, you could just honestly put the cottage cheese and 2 eggs, but I am doing the Parmesan cheese and Italian seasoning so that it has more flavor to it. Again, optional. You could just do the 1 cup of cottage cheese, and you could do the 2 eggs. I also did apply a little bit of garlic powder as well. Then I'm going to go ahead and put the 2 eggs, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend it all together till it is nice and smooth. I love this handheld thing, so I don't have to do anything crazy. I don't have to take my blender out. I could just use this. I seriously love this thing. I did make 2 batches. I'm only going to show you guys one. I'm making 1 pizza for me and my husband, and 1 for my daughter. Right, then I'm going to go ahead and just pour that out, and then I am going to go ahead and smooth it out so it is a nice layer. And I am going to put this in the oven for 35 minutes at 350 degrees before I take it out and apply the toppings. So for me and my husband's pizza, I'm going to put some pork sausage and then some onions and a little bit of bell pepper. And then I also did some spinach and some little bacon bits. My daughter just asked for pepperoni. She went through a I don't want pepperoni on the pizza phase, and now she wants pepperoni again. So hopefully she'll eat it. Trying to TikTok this at the same time as doing the vlogging like I used to do. Let's see how that works. I don't know how the front camera works, guys, because I really don't want to fail and then do the backside. My JGB order did get here, but my seasoning order has not gotten here, which I don't think it's gonna get here. I think it might get here tomorrow because I think it's in Indianapolis. Why can't I talk? It's over there. So, well, that's what the thing says. But the U.S. Post Office sucks at telling you the truth. All right, so I went ahead and flipped it over, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply some pizza sauce. This is an organic Target pizza sauce, and I'm gonna go ahead and just spread that out. Me, my husband, and my daughter don't like that much tomato sauce, so I didn't put that much. And then I went ahead and put Mexican cheese mix. You can use mozzarella or whatever you desire. Then I went in and put the peppers with the onions and the spinach and the mixture of sausage and bacon bits, and put it in the oven. Then I went ahead and started out my daughter's, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing, but hers is just going to have cheese and pepperoni, and I did put I did sprinkle rosemary on top of that just so they could have a little bit more flavor, and I went ahead and put that back in the oven for 15 minutes. I'm hoping the lighting isn't absolutely horrible. So my jujube order again, I think I told you guys, did get here. By the way, dinner was delicious. My toddler devoured the pizza, so that is so good that she likes it. This cup was $3 on at Target, so throwing that out there. Should have got more. I only bought two. Alright, so let me show you what I got from Jujube. So I'm just opening this. I just kind of popped the box open and left it there. It's pretty. So this is actually my first fanny pack. Actually, no, I'm lying. I do have one from Petunia, but this is like a bigger fanny pack. Everything I got is from the Villains line, but it is so pretty. I'm gonna play with them because I haven't received anything. Like I have never got anything like other than the midi and the BFF and the mini BFF from them. I do like their stuff. I got their Core Pixel. This was all on like 70% off price. I did get two of their mini mini bags. I don't even know the names. I got two, one for me and one for my daughter. I was gonna get that big bag, but you know what? I've been using a lot of minis lately, so I thought I'll go ahead and try out the mini. It's a lot minier than I thought, but it's cute. Again, I got two of these. And then, well, that's the other one. And then I got this guy, which I already have a whole bunch of, which is like their bigger bags. I do like them, like if you're going on a trip or something, it's just easy to carry these big guys around. But yeah, that is what I got from Jujube. Unfortunately, my seasoning didn't come in, so it'll probably come in tomorrow. I might show you guys, might not. But yeah, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I'm back. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe down below so my videos can get out there and more people can actually view them. Again, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a blessed day. Bye, guys.